Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Blaylock Gooseneck Trailer Lock is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for safeguarding your valuable trailer and its contents, offering unparalleled peace of mind whether you're on the road or parked at home, ensuring that your property remains secure against theft and unauthorized access with its robust design and reliable locking mechanism. Number 5. Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Lock Kit. Introducing the Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Lock Kit, designed for 2 to 5/16 trailers. This heavy-duty lock provides robust anti-theft protection for your RV, camper, trailer, or boat. Join the Rhino USA family and support a father-son business. We are proudly American-owned and operated, offering the best USA-based customer support. Our lock features a heavy-duty powder-coated finish that shields against rust, corrosion, and harsh weather. This ensures long-lasting protection for your trailer hitch coupler. It fits select 50 by 50, 50 by 60 couplers, and 2 to 5/16 A-frame couplers. Please note it is not compatible with adjustable, bulldog, lock trailer, 50 mm, ring pintle, or 1 to 7/8 couplers. Gain confidence knowing your boat, toy hauler, or trailer is securely protected from theft. This durable, tamper-resistant lock is designed for maximum security. Your purchase comes with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This lock offers robust security with a finish that stands up to the elements. Its lifetime replacement policy provides ultimate peace of mind. If you prioritize long-term durability and a company that stands behind its product, this is the choice for you. What people say. The Blaylock Gooseneck Trailer Lock is a heavy-duty security device designed to protect your trailer from theft. Its robust construction and unique design make it difficult for thieves to tamper with, providing peace of mind for trailer owners. The lock is easy to install and remove, yet offers superior protection against unauthorized access. Number 4. Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Lock Kit. Introducing the Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Lock Kit, your ultimate solution for trailer security. This heavy-duty lock is designed to protect your valuable assets. Proudly American-owned and family-operated, we are dedicated to providing you with the best USA-based customer support. Join the Rhino USA family today. Our lock features a heavy-duty powder-coated finish that shields against rust, corrosion, and harsh weather. It ensures long-lasting protection for your trailer hitch coupler. This lock is designed to fit select 50 by 50, 50 by 60 couplers, and 2 A-frame couplers. Please check compatibility before purchase. Gain confidence and peace of mind knowing your boat, toy hauler, or trailer is securely protected from theft. It's a durable, tamper-resistant lock designed for maximum security. We stand by our product with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. Designed for smaller trailer hitches, this lock ensures your equipment is safe from theft. The weather-resistant coating means it will last, and the lifetime replacement guarantee offers unmatched confidence. If you have a 2-inch coupler and want a reliable, worry-free security solution, this is it. What people say. Solid build. Thick metal. Easy to use. Rock-solid hitch lock. This device is so much more solid-fitting and secure than the lock I had. I can't imagine a way to get this lock off without making the hitch inoperable. The reinforced solid steel feels incredibly durable, giving me confidence that it will hold up against potential theft attempts. The lock mechanism itself is straightforward and operates smoothly, which is a huge plus when you're in a hurry or dealing with less than ideal weather conditions. Installing the lock was a breeze. It fits perfectly on my trailer's hitch, and the tight fit makes it clear that it's not going anywhere. The bright color of the lock is another feature I appreciate. It acts as a visual deterrent, signaling to would-be thieves that this trailer is well protected. Number 3. Kohree Heavy-Duty Trailer Lock. This heavy-duty lock is built with high-strength steel for maximum theft resistance. It's engineered to securely fit over standard 2-inch and 2 to 5/16-inch couplers, offering robust protection for your valuable equipment. Its non-reflective matte black finish provides a discreet, professional look. This design delivers strong security without drawing unwanted attention, making it ideal for commercial use. The exterior is weather-resistant and easy to clean. It comes with rubber keyhole plugs that protect the lock cylinder against the elements for reliable outdoor operation. Installation is a breeze with its quick snap-and lock design, requiring no tools. A firm initial press ensures a snug and secure fit on compatible couplers in seconds. This ready-to-use kit includes everything you need. It features weatherproof plugs, multiple keys for shared access, and a custom storage box for organized keeping. What we like. This lock provides excellent security for both 2-inch and 2 to 5/16-inch couplers with its heavy-duty steel construction. Its matte black finish offers a discreet look, and the tool-free installation is incredibly fast. If you need a versatile lock that's easy to use and blends in, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to install, remove, well made, perfect fit. It's super durable and super heavy steel, they're not going to break this one. Has a barrel lock, so not as easy to pick. Quick and easy to install and remove. Durable and would take a while to cut through. Number 2. Foot Knox Gooseneck Trailer Coupler Lock. Introducing the ultimate security solution for your gooseneck trailer. This lock is designed to fully enclose your latch, providing unparalleled protection. Crafted from heavy-duty, fully welded steel, this lock is built to withstand the toughest conditions. It's engineered to be bolt cutter and crowbar proof for maximum security. This versatile lock accepts all hockey puck style padlocks, ensuring a secure fit for your peace of mind. Its cut-resistant shackle adds another layer of defense. Featuring a bright yellow powder coat, this lock is highly visible and acts as a strong deterrent to potential thieves. It's also built to resist outdoor wear. From a trusted, family-run business, this heavy-duty trailer lock is proudly made in the USA. It's specifically designed for round-tube gooseneck couplers. What we like. Engineered for maximum security, this lock is built to withstand bolt cutters and crowbars, offering superior protection. The bright yellow finish acts as a visual deterrent. If you're looking for the highest level of physical security and a product made in the USA, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Easy to install and bright color to warn off thieves. Very heavy steel. This fit well, is heavy duty and no one will break into it. Number 1. Blaylock American Metal TL53 Coupler Lock. Experience the pride of American craftsmanship. This coupler and sleeve lock are built to last, using high-quality materials. Constructed from premium aircraft-grade aluminum, it offers exceptional durability and strength for reliable security. It features an easy disc lock for added security. This component is imported and designed for ease of use. Your purchase includes 2 keys, ensuring you always have a spare. Keep your property secure with confidence. This lock is designed for long-lasting performance. Trust in its robust construction to protect your valuable assets. What we like. Crafted from high-quality aircraft-grade aluminum right here in the USA, this lock offers a lightweight yet durable solution. It features an easy disc lock for reliable security. If you value American craftsmanship and a strong, dependable lock for your trailer, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Blaylock Gooseneck Trailer Lock is a heavy-duty security device designed to protect your trailer from theft. Its robust construction and unique locking mechanism make it difficult for unauthorized individuals to tamper with your trailer's coupler. This trailer lock is easy to install and remove, requiring no special tools. It fits securely over the trailer's coupler, providing a visible deterrent to potential thieves. The Blaylock Gooseneck Trailer Lock is made from high-strength steel, ensuring durability and resistance to cutting or prying. Its weather-resistant finish also makes it suitable for use in various environmental conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.